Ay, if only I have a wife, my house will be nicer and everything will be easier. Ay, John John, you won't get a wife one nah. Don't think so much and go back to sleep lah. Ay.
But one objective.
Color I see that you maintain the status.
December 7th, 9th.
And a question a psychopath.
The Orby has nothing to fear.
Hi,
Hello.
sorry dear, I forgot to bring my keys.
You got the wrong house.
Hey dear,
Aiyo.
I forgot to bring my keys.
Oh,
Dear, come help me to bring
got
all
wrong
these.
person, don't know you lah, never see you before.
Come help me in the kitchen. Stop acting dumb lah. So funny.
Where is this place
This is our kitchen.
Never see this place before in my house.
Dear,
You are mine?
I'm your wife.
You are my dear?
Yeah.
Dear? Okay.
Stop act cute lah, you.
Dear?
What you want me to cook today?
Chicken rice, dear?
Okay. I
You
bought
chicken rice?
chicken. Yeah, I bought chicken. Come help me.
Dear! Dear! Dear. Chicken rice, dear. Chicken rice? Hey dear, I want to renovate our house. Even though my house is very nice already, right? But I want to make it more romantic.
Your house ah?
Our house.
Yeah, now it's quite perfect lah, but it's for men, for single men lah. Yeah.
That's why it must be more romantic. And renovate it. I think you have a better decision. How about you make the decision? How do you think we should go about it?
Oh, you can use Renopedia.sg. You just sign up for free renovation quotes, then there'll be 5 to 8 of interior design firm. They'll contact you directly. Yeah.
Renopedia.sg. Dear, open the door. Dear, you dare or not open the door. Dear! Huh? Don't tell me all this is a dream. Hi. Okay, coming. Ugh. Hannah, you're irritating lah. I know my house leaking lah. Your house leaking, boy. You must take care of my house. Yeah, or else my family very sad lah. Aiya, I know my house leaking, but keep on knocking in the morning. Aiyo. I thought I have a wife. Oh yeah, she mentioned Renopedia.sg. Renovate my house using Renopedia.sg. Okay. Yeah, done. Oh, actually using Renopedia.sg quite easy. Quite easy to find renovation contractor. Dear, wherever you are, thank you for coming into my dream. Thanks a lot.